Well, the showcase has been really an eye-opener for a lot of people. I mean, from the investors, from people who are familiar in the medtech space. I think basically it gives that diversity of technology that we are seeing, the way that they have actually progressed from a startup. And all of us know that in the medical space, startup is always a difficult thing. But as you hear from many of the CEOs, with the Trendlines group, with the incubation, I think things just move along, and I would like to see more of these results. I mean, the interaction with the community, the investors, and everyone else was just so vibrant. I think this is where the showcase put everything into one place. That's fantastic.
Well, the problems being addressed here, whether they're medical or ag tech, big ones. Existing technology doesn't do the job. For me, this is a very efficient use of time as a financial analyst for an investment bank to meet a lot of interesting companies in a concentrated way.
This is the second time that I come to Israel and attend the showcase. As Trendlines is a listed company in Singapore, this is an excellent platform for investors and journalists and analysts to see what is in Trendlines portfolio, to understand the technology and talk to the startup entrepreneurs. So this is how they get a first-hand feel what Trendlines is about, how they create value.
I think it's important because it gives our portfolio companies, our companies of the Trendlines Group, a chance to really talk about what they're doing and really do it in a very focused manner, to talk about the technology, but mostly to talk about why it's important, what's the market opportunity, and what their go-to-market plan is. And we get to put them in front of a lot of investors today.
Well, I think it's a very important stage to make an opportunity to know the companies, to make them have the stage to show what they have, to explain about the technologies, and it is a great opportunity to investors to learn about the opportunities here, especially in the ag tech and medical area.
The showcase is important, one to listen to representations of the companies to really understand what they are doing and what is the prospect and whether we believe that they will be successful. That this convention is also important for the investors to see how the company is going on and how it's being run and what kind of new projects they are launching. So we enjoy it very much.
It's a great opportunity to be exposed to investors, service providers, other startups, other CEO and CDO of startups that can tell you, share with them what are they doing, how are they coping with the challenges, and hopefully, which is the most important thing, is to start connection with potential investors.
Today's showcase is a great opportunity for us to show off some of our products, some of our wonderful companies. We had 9 companies present today. We probably have another 20 or 30 companies here in the networking tent. And it's just a wonderful opportunity for us to bring together our portfolio companies, investors, industry, investors. It's just a great opportunity.
Because you have so many great companies here that are at early stage, but actually some getting beyond early stage that are already doing sales with great technologies, and it's important to show the world what's out there.
所有的投资者都觉得 Trendlines 下边的技术是非常有价值、非常有潜力的技术。只有来到了以色列，大家才有切身实地的感觉。
For me, as a potential investor for the company, it is important to meet all these entrepreneurs and different companies and to see all the potential of innovation that Israel has. And we haven't met before, and now we're talking about really interesting stuff that could be of interest to our company. So I think making contacts is the reason to be here. Yeah.
And for my side, I'm a Trendline veteran, so I know the group quite well. I'm an entrepreneur, a serial one, and already exited from Trendlines. But here we can meet investors, service providers, and get a broad range of where we can go next. So it's a good meeting for us to see for all entrepreneurs.
As an entrepreneur, this is our way actually to be exposed to different investors, to different bankers, and to actually present our company. And in a day, you can actually meet several investment, and so it will be easier for us to approach the market.